Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to this video. So in the last episode, I teach you how you can create your own HTML document from a notepad or any text editor. So for my case, or in my case, I'm using a text editor called as Visual Studio Code because it helps me and it makes it easier for me to code and to debug. Okay, so to trace the error with and there's a lot of capabilities of Visual Studio Code. So this uh, program is highly recommended, or this text editor is highly recommended, and this is absolutely free and harmless for our computer. Alright, so for this lesson, as I mentioned, we are going to use tags in order to format text. So like everybody knows that on the other side of the screen is our channel, and as you can see, it is able to format text. So um, we do not write, computers do not write like we do, but they process the text differently using tags. Okay, so these are the tags that are used by our computers or by our browsers to read, okay, and format the text the way we want it. Alright, so if you copy it and paste it here and save it and then try to run the server, so click to run the live server, so it will show you the result of the code, and you will see that we are able to do something, but um, it's not as beautiful as we expect to be. Okay, so rather we can actually put this inside a comment like this. Okay, all right, we need that one, and then it ends here. Okay, and then save that, so we cannot see anything. So what we need are the codes, so we get this one. Okay, these are the tags that we are going to use to format. So let's say for example I have prepared a certain um, oh well, let's just type it. Alright, so let's say for example I want a bold text. Alright, so um, I'm gonna use the bold tag because, or the B tag, whatever you call it, to create a bold text and then put it inside. Okay, so I'm gonna write inside this text this bold. Alright, and then save it and then see what happens. So the text is formatted as bold. Alright, and then if I want italic, alright, so I'm gonna use I. Okay, so that's how easy it is. So you just type I, and then um, Visual Studio Code will autocomplete it for you. So I'm gonna write this text is italic. Okay, so there it is. Save it, and then you will see that um, the first output goes side by side, or is displayed side by side with the next output. So to separate that, um, browser needs to see something like this: the BR tag, alright, or the break tag, and then save that, and then you see the difference. And then we put this BR tag down below so that the next will be displayed underneath it. Okay, and say a combination of uh, italic and bold. Alright, first we want the statement to be bold, and secondly we want that to be italic, and then we put it inside. So this text is bold and italic. Okay, so we can save that, and there you go. the output is similar to what we are expecting. Now, let's say, for example, you want to write a certain number raised to a certain power. So, how do you do that? So, let's say, for example, I have x, all right, but let's say that it's in a paragraph, or well, let's say it's bold. Why not? And then a capital letter X. So if you save it, you see it right there. Then we need the beer tag right here. Okay. Then save that. And then this thing should be raised to the power of 2. So you need a superscript. Okay. So you write superscript. This one. And then you write the exponent. Like for example, 2000. Okay. And then that is x raised to 2000. Now, if you want um, a more complicated operation, okay, like say for example x squared plus 2x plus 1, then and then you want it to be beautiful and really looks like a formula, okay, there you can use JavaScript, all right, and for sure there's a lot of Greek letters that you want to display if you are if you like math, okay, and then you are developing a website for mathematics. So therefore, you need a lot of those to write formula in HTML, and then um, I will put the links in the description box on how you can do that. But that's not the scope of our video for today. Alright, so that's how we are able to format text. And in the next video, we are going to show you the different ways on how you can style it. Alright, so there are other codes that you can try, like emphasize, delete, okay? So if you want to use this tag, you can actually copy it, then put it right here, and then let's just see what happened. Alright, then save that. So what happened? Here we get it. Ah, so something is wrong. Yeah, saw it. Nothing gets deleted because it's not in between the del tag. So there you go. So that's how you say delete. Alright, so there we go. We were able to um, format a little bit. And it's nice. Okay, so that's how we format text. In the next video, we are going to show how we can change the font size, and then font, then font color, and using inline CSS. Alright, and the link CSS. So there are many types of doing that, but for now, this is our video. So hope you guys understand how and learn how to format text using tags in HTML.